Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. AI image generation usually requires a powerful computer and an expensive GPU, which makes it difficult for many people to experiment with AI tools. However, there is an easier solution: MimicPC, a cloud-based platform that allows users to run AI models without needing high-end hardware. With MimicPC, anyone can generate stunning AI images using Automatic 1111, a popular web interface designed for stable diffusion, a powerful text-to-image AI model. Automatic 1111 is a user-friendly tool that makes it easy to generate and customize AI-generated images. It provides various settings to control the style, quality, and details of the final image. Since installing and running AI models locally can be complicated, MimicPC simplifies the process. Users can access high-performance GPUs in the cloud, eliminating the need for a costly setup. Getting started is simple. First, users need to create an account on MimicPC and select Automatic 1111 as their AI tool. After clicking the Get Started button, they can choose their preferred hardware settings and start the setup process, which takes only about 30 seconds. Once set up, they can begin generating AI images using text descriptions, also known as prompts. Selecting the right AI model is important because different models produce different styles of images. For example, Realistic Vision is designed for highly detailed photorealistic images, while DreamShaper offers a mix of realism and artistic creativity. Choosing the right model ensures that the generated image aligns with the user's creative vision. To get the best results, users must provide detailed prompts describing the image they want. They can specify colors, lighting, composition, and other elements to guide the AI. Additionally, they can use negative prompts to exclude unwanted elements from the image. Several sampling methods are available to refine the image further. Methods like Euler and Euler-A work well for illustrations, while DPM++2M and DPM++2M Chorus generate high-quality images quickly. Other important settings include sampling steps, which determine the level of detail, CFG scale, which controls how closely the AI follows the prompt, and seed value, which influences randomness and consistency in generated images. For those who want more control over their AI-generated images, features like image variations and upscaling can help. The variation seed blends different styles, while upscaling improves image resolution without losing details. The denoising strength setting enhances image sharpness and should typically be kept above 0.5 for the best results. Another useful feature is image-to-image generation, which allows users to modify an existing image. By uploading a base image and adjusting parameters like resolution and denoising strength, they can create variations or improvements. This is helpful for refining artwork, adding creative effects, or changing styles while maintaining some elements of the original image. For users who prefer sketching, the Color Sketch tool provides an easy way to guide the AI. They can upload a background image, draw a rough sketch over it, and let the AI generate a refined version based on their drawing. This feature is especially useful for artists who want a combination of manual creativity and AI-generated details. Upscaling is another important feature for improving image quality. By using the Extras tab in Automatic 1111, users can choose an AI upscaler to enlarge their images while maintaining high resolution. The scale factor determines how much the image size increases. This feature is particularly beneficial for professionals who need high-quality, detailed images. For those looking to expand the functionality of Automatic 1111, additional tools can be installed through the Extensions tab. Extensions provide extra features such as new AI models, improved sampling methods, and workflow tools. Installing extensions is easy and allows users to customize their AI image generation process further. MimicPC is a powerful and cost-effective solution for AI image generation. It provides access to high-performance GPUs without requiring expensive hardware, making it a great option for hobbyists, designers, and AI enthusiasts. Users can experiment with AI-generated art, test different models, and refine their creations effortlessly. With pay-as-you-go pricing, MimicPC offers flexibility, making it accessible to both beginners and experienced users. For those interested in exploring AI tools further, trying out MimicPC is a great way to get started. It allows users to create high-quality AI-generated images without the hassle of complex installations. If AI image generation is something they want to dive into, this platform offers an easy and affordable way to bring creative ideas to life. That's it for today's guide on MimicPC. If you're looking for an affordable and powerful way to explore AI image generation, this cloud-based solution is perfect for you. With pay-as-you-go pricing and access to high-performance GPUs, you can create stunning visuals, test AI models, and bring your artistic ideas to life, all without investing in expensive hardware. Give MimicPC a try and let me know in the comments what you think. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new AI tools and tech updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.